हु इज अ कर्ता? सबसे पहले तो मैं आपको बताऊं, द प्राइमरी रिक्वायरमेंट ऑफ कर्ता इज, सबसे पहले ही हैज टू बी अ को-पार्सनर, एंड सेकेंडली he has to be the senior most member. He has to be the senior most member. These are the very clear cut requirements of being a कर्ता primarily. ये सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट रिक्वायरमेंट्स है टू बिकम अ कर्ता, दैट एक तो आप को-पार्सनर हो एंड दूसरा आप सीनियर मोस्ट मेंबर हो को-पार्सनरी के. These are the primary requirements to be a karta. What does this karta do? He looks after, for example, the pinddan ceremonies that take place of the forefathers. He looks after the उपनयन ceremonies. उपनयन का मतलब पता है आपको? हाँ जी, सॉरी, yes. और he looks after the marriages of daughters and sons. He looks after the education expenses. He looks after the litigation of the joint Hindu family. Right? These are some very basic duties of a karta. Another very important duty is that he manages the finances of the family. You see, when this concept of karta was introduced in the traditional Hindu law, मैं आपको बताऊं that he had unlimited powers. Basically, कर्ता कुछ भी कर सकते थे. Being the senior most co-partner, of course male, he could have done anything that he wanted with the joint family property also. He manages joint family property also. He manages the joint family property also. Basically, karta could do anything, and he had unlimited powers. Whether he wanted to sell the joint family property, whether he wanted to mortgage the joint family property, whether he wanted to do anything with the joint family property, he was the patriarch. He was the patriarchal head of the entire joint Hindu family. Everybody has to obey him. Everybody has to obey his directions, and he is the sole authority in the family who can take decisions. Now, slowly and steadily, this concept, due to the intervention of courts and due to progression in the society, this concept was changed. And we replaced the term patriarch with the term karta. कर्ता को बहुत लोग ना मैनेजर कहते हैं, which is an incorrect English translation of this word. कर्ता is not manager. कर्ता मैनेज करता है जॉइंट फैमिली प्रॉपर्टी को, बट कर्ता मैनेजर नहीं होता. यू अंडरस्टैंड? यहां पर हम में से कुछ लोगों ने कहा दैट जरूरी नहीं है कि कर्ता सीनियर मोस्ट मेल मेंबर हो को-पार्सनरी का. वो बात गलत भी है और वो बात सही भी. कैसे? अंडरस्टैंड that the first and foremost requirement to be a karta is that you have to be the senior most co-partner in the joint Hindu family. जो senior most co-partner होगा वो ही कर्ता होगा joint Hindu family का. That is the general rule. But in certain other situations, for example, let us say the karta is bedridden, is ill. He cannot perform his duties. So he relinquishes. He says that I am not now fit for handling the family. Now he has 2 sons. General notion यही होगा कि जो elder son है, he will become the karta of the family. That is the general presumption, but that is not always true. हो सकता है वो जो elder son हो, he lives the life of almost a hermit, सन्यासी का जीवन जीते हैं वो, कुछ ज्यादा उनको फैमिली अफेयर्स में कुछ ज्यादा खास इंटरेस्ट होता नहीं है, रहते घर में ही है, पर वो थोड़ा सा सेक्लूडेड रहते हैं. ऑपोजिट भी हो सकता है कि जो एल्डर सन है वो बहुत ही इररिस्पॉन्सिबल है, he is a rampant alcoholic, and he does not take care of the family, and he is very dangerous in that sense. So ऐसा भी हो सकता है. जनरल प्रिजम्पशन ये that the eldest member of the co-parsoner will become co-parsoner. उन्होंने छोड़ दिया भाई मैं नहीं बन सकता, एल्डर ने, अब एल्डर सन के पास बात जाती है तो सारे को-पार्सनर्स कंसेंट दे सकते हैं और कह सकते हैं कि नहीं भाई एल्डेस्ट जो सन है वो नहीं, जो यंगर है वो ज्यादा लायक है, उसे को-पार्सनर बना. इट इज पॉसिबल. It is always a general presumption which is true and which will be followed also, that the eldest member of the co-parsonary will be the karta, but with the consent of all the members of the co-parsonary, even a younger member, even a minor can become a karta, but that has to be with the consent of all members of the co-parsonary, all the co-parsoners. What if the karta is in a foreign land? What if the karta cannot discharge his duties? What if the karta is nowhere to be found? What if the karta, his return is very difficult, his return is very prolonged, his return is not certain from that foreign place? What in that situations? In such situations, the eldest member of the co-parsonary will be generally presumed to be the karta. He will be managing all the affairs of the joint Hindu family. But with the consent of all the co-parsoners, it is possible that it is not the eldest member, but even a younger member can be the karta. ऐसा भी हो सकता है कर्ता कहे कि भाई मेरे को बिजनेस है, मेरे को टाइम लगेगा, 1-1.5 साल तक मैं फॉरेन कंट्री में जा रहा हूं, आई एम गोइंग समवेयर एल्स. Now the family is in India, the family has to take care of itself, the family has to manage affairs, बच्चों की पढ़ाई लिखाई सब चीजों का खर्चा है. What the karta can do? Now let me ask you a question. Can the karta appoint a second karta? Can a karta appoint a second karta? Never. It is never possible that there are first of all 2 kartas, and it is not even possible that the karta appoints another karta. It is the consent of all co-parsoners which will appoint a karta, and there can never be 2 kartas. What the karta can do is karta can appoint a manager. And there can be 10 managers also, does not matter. Karta can appoint a manager of the joint Hindu family, that in my absence or even in my presence, I will be the sole head of the family, I will take care of the affairs, but you run around and manage it. Karta can only be one. There can never be 2 kartas. One karta is the rule, that is it. There can never ever be 2 kartas. But there can be one karta and several managers who are appointed in the joint Hindu family. Who can question the karta? Nobody. Can the court mention the karta? Absolutely not. No person has the right to question the decision of the karta. कर्ता के डिसीजन को क्वेश्चन करने का राइट ना तो फैमिली मेंबर्स के पास है, ना ही कोर्ट के पास है. फैमिली मेंबर्स क्या कर सकते हैं? एट द मैक्स दे कैन आस्क फॉर पार्टीशन. पार्टीशन हुआ, कर्ता भी खत्म, क्योंकि कर्ता किसका करता है? को-पार्सनरी का. पार्टीशन हुआ, को-पार्सनरी कम्स टू एंड, देयर इज नो कर्ता, सब अपने अपने करता है, देयर इज नो कर्ता. व्हाट मैक्सिमम द को-पार्सनर्स कैन डू, एक और चीज कर सकते हो बाद में बताऊंगा. What maximum the co-parsoners can do is ask for partition. That's it. Nobody can question the authority of the karta. Nobody has a right to say that Mr. Karta, you are wrong, or you have done this and I will not accept this. They don't have a choice. Not even the court can say that Mr. Karta, you are wrong. Sorry. Unless and until the karta misappropriates the funds, unless and until the karta misappropriates the funds, till that time nobody can question, and that too it can only be questioned by a complaint which the court will investigate. Nobody can question the karta.